Hello everyone, welcome to Study Facilitator. In this video, we are going to learn and write 10 lines speech on Lokmanya Tilak. First point, good morning. Everyone. Good morning, everyone. Next point, my name is Gahana. My name is Gahana. Next point, today I am going to speak about Lokmanya Tilak. Today I am going to speak about Lokmanya Tilak. Next point, Lokmanya Tilak was a great freedom fighter. Lokmanya Tilak was a great freedom fighter. Next point, he was born on 23rd July 1856 in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. He was born on 23rd July 1856 in Ratnagiri, Maharashtra. Next point, his full name was Bal Gangadhar Tilak. His full name was Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next point, he gave the powerful slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. He gave the powerful slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Next, he started Ganesh Utsav and Shiv Jayanti. He started Ganesh Utsav and Shiv Jayanti. Next, he also started newspapers like Kesari and Maratha. He also started newspapers like Kesari and Maratha. And last point, he is true inspiration for all Indians. He is true inspiration for all Indians. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.